Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn AutoCAD. First of all, we will see what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer aided design. AutoCAD is a tool that can be used for design and drafting activities since it uses the computing power of a processor. CAD drawings are faster, better, and more accurate than their manually drafted counterparts. AutoCAD is sophisticated CAD software that is synonymous with engineering drafting. Now we will see user interface of AutoCAD. First of all, after opening the software, click here Get Started. This is our user interface of AutoCAD. Here we can see this is version of our AutoCAD software and this is file name of AutoCAD. DWG is the extension. Here we can see these are the commands and here these are the toolbars. From here we can change the workspace from drafting and annotation to 3D or 3D to 2D. Here it is the graphical user interface of AutoCAD. Now we will see about the Start tab. The Start tab is displayed by default at Start, providing easy access to a variety of initial actions, including access to drawing template files, recently opened drawings and sheet sets, online and learning options and announcements. As we see uh, in software, after clicking Get Started, our graphical user interfaces looks like. Okay,